shut the door, babe.
What? Oh my god.
Can you give me a Coke?
See you later.
No, I heated some sauce in the microwave. Will you grab it for me?
Is there a dick in there?
What? Wow.
Is there a dick in the microwave?
I don't know. Why would there be a dick in the microwave?
I don't know, let's see.
That doesn't even make sense.
You think you can get me now? You can't. I know.
Many months later.
You scared me. It asked me to save when I left,
Yeah.
and so I'm wondering if it means that it's on mine.
Oh, I think you have my controller. Here,
Okay.
take this one.
Oh, fuck you.
Bye, babe. I love you. Bye, babe.
I love you.
Have a good day at work.